real emotion is credible, but manufactured emotion is not. And the answer is absolutely not, or at least no good, credible attorney is going to do that. But that's not to say that we do not prepare a client's testimony for hearing or trial. And for me, a lot of the focus of that testimony preparation has to do with just easing my client's anxieties and fears about that testimony, because it can be scary to testify in front of a judge or a jury. So I simply talk about what to expect, what the courtroom or hearing room looks like, who will be there, who will be asking them questions, what will the structure of those questions be. I also like to talk to my clients about what to do in different scenarios during their testimony, what to do if they don't understand the question.
I don't understand that question.
What to do if an attorney objects to the question that's asked.
Your Honor, the defense strenuously objects.
What to do if they need to stop and use the restroom. The more I can help them anticipate what to expect on that day of testimony, the more smoothly that testimony will go. Now, I do also spend some time in most instances talking to my clients about the facts of the case. We'll talk about how the injury occurred, what happened after the injury, what medical care they obtained, and the timeline for receiving that care. That's not to put words in their mouth or to coach their testimony inappropriately. It's just to make sure that the facts of the case are fresh in their mind. Because at the end of the day, what we want to focus on is presenting a clear, concise, and organized case to the judge or the jury. Now, if my client does become emotional on the stand, that's okay. I represent folks who had serious injuries, and recounting those injuries can be really tough. That said, I usually give my client a couple of moments to let that emotion pass, and if it doesn't, I actually usually ask for a recess, because again, we're going to be able to present a more clear, concise, and organized case if my client's emotions aren't preventing them from doing that.